Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Darian and I create juice recipes for beginners or anyone who's interested in building healthier habits. So today's recipe is perfect for the after Thanksgiving blues. I know that this is coming out a little bit before Thanksgiving, but this is to give you guys time to go ahead and prep the juice so that you'll have it, because you probably won't feel like juicing afterwards. During the holidays, it is so easy to get thrown off course. I mean, you have all of the delicious food, the desserts, and everything. This juice for me serves as a reset. It allows me to get back into my routine and remember what I was working on before all of the goodness came. This juice helps reduce bloating, support digestion, boost your energy, and gently reset your system after heavy meals. So I'm just going to start off by prepping the spinach. Since these are leafy greens, I want to make sure that I give them a pretty good chop so that nothing gets caught up in the juicer. This just kind of helps the juicer out a little bit. Sometimes with leafy greens or stringy fruits and veggies, they can kind of get stuck. So we want to make sure that we're making it easy on the juicer. So these, I'm not going to put in the stems. I'm just going to go ahead and throw these away. And then I cut this up kind of into some little, I guess you can call them ribbons. I'll cut them again just to get them a little bit smaller for the juicer. There, that should be good. I'm just gonna go ahead and toss this into my bowl. And then all of my other ingredients, I'm just going to give a rough chop. We don't have to do much prep. I will be using my Nama J2 today, so I'm not going to be all extensive with the prep because I don't have to, considering the juicer that I'm using. But if you are using another juicer that may not be able to handle your fruits and veggies as well, you do want to make sure that you kind of finely chop them for your juicer so that you don't run into any clogging or any issues. I don't think I'm going to use this whole pineapple. I think I'm only going to use maybe half. I guess we'll see. I don't want the juice to be super sweet. I just want to add a little bit of sweetness. You can also substitute the pineapple for apple. Fun story, I used to be allergic to apples. I could not have them at all. I found that out in a very unfortunate series of events. But since then, I have slightly, I guess, outgrown my allergy, and it's now just more so of an intolerance. So if you don't see me using apple in a lot of my recipes, that is why. I do have to be pretty careful about how much apple I consume. So yeah, that's why I go for pineapple. But if you have a pineapple allergy or you just don't care for it, you can use apple just to sweeten up your juice a little bit. I'm speeding this part up because I was clearly just yapping right here, just talking about nothing. And on top of that, I almost cut myself. And I'm not like super crazy. That could have been really bad. I'm not super crazy about getting all of the skin off because the juicer can handle it, so it's okay. And then with the ginger, I guess I'll just gauge as I go. So we're just gonna throw that in. Now let's just assemble our juicer. We are using our Nama J2 today. I am using the batch hopper and the batch pitcher set because I do have a pretty good bit of ingredients. So I just wanna get it done all in one swoop. All right, so now that we have our juicer set up and we have all of our ingredients ready to go, let's go ahead and get into this juice. So when you're juicing, you want to make sure that you layer your ingredients. We're going to put in our spinach first since it is a leafy green and it's a lighter thing out of all of the ingredients. You'll put it on the bottom. So I'm gonna get a good little bit. And we're just gonna put all of that in on the bottom. From there, I'll go in with some of the cucumber. It's all mixed up. And then I'll throw in a little bit of the lemons. And we can go in with our pineapple. So what we're doing is putting all of our heavier ingredients on top so that it kind of pushes the spinach down into the juicer, just helping the juicer out a little bit. That should be good. And then y'all know I love ginger, but I'm gonna go light today. So I think we're just gonna start out with about this much ginger. One thing I love about this juicer is how it's hands-free. I can literally just load everything up and walk away. I can go clean up the kitchen, prep some more ingredients, or just take a moment to catch my breath. I love that I don't have to stand over it and kind of make it do what it's supposed to do. It just handles it all on its own. That's one reason why I say this juicer is worth it. All right, so that was pretty quick. We're gonna go ahead and release this juice. I have to get an aesthetic juice pour, so y'all already know. All right, so now that that batch of ingredients is done, let's go ahead and fill the juicer up and finish off this juice so that we can give it a taste. We got 48 ounces of juice. So I grabbed a separate glass, so let's go ahead and give this juice a taste. Cheers! So good. Perfect amount of ginger, perfect amount of everything. It really meshed together really well. It's been so long since I've had a spinach green juice, and oh my gosh. I'm definitely gonna make some more of this. It is so, so good. And I almost forgot, it's the most wonderful time of the year. It's time for Nama's biggest sale of the entire year. Yes. So I get a lot of questions about this juicer. If you are someone who's interested in getting your juicing journey started and you don't know which juicer to choose, or you've had your eyes on this one specifically, now is the time to go ahead, bite the bullet, make the purchase. I promise you will not regret it. As you can see, I've had my juicer for a very long time. I make all of these videos for you guys so you get to see everything that I put it through, and she is still going strong. So this is an investment that is definitely worth it. Your health is priceless. You cannot put a price on that. So with that being said, right now this juicer, the Nama J2, it is $120 off if you use my code Darian20. So 120 off of the juicer. You can also purchase this attachment, which is the large hopper, as well as the larger pitcher set. You can grab the glass bottles. You can get the M1, the C2, or if you're someone who is juicing just for yourself or just wants to have a smaller appliance, you can also get the J3. Literally everything on the website is 20% off, so go ahead and grab some stuff because you do not want to miss out on this sale if you've been looking to invest in your juicing journey and your health. The sale ends on December 1st, so don't be one of those people who waits until the very last minute, December 2nd, and the sale is over and then you're like, oh, I didn't get it. Go ahead and get it now. I promise you will not regret it. I would not steer you wrong. But the Nama J2 is definitely worth the investment. Not only can you juice with this juicer, you can also make sorbet. You can make plant-based milk. I've made a strawberry, mango, and pineapple sorbet in my juicer before, as well as oat milk. So there's so much that you can do. I definitely feel like with everything that it's capable of, the price tag is justified. And not just that, but you literally get a 15-year warranty for your juicer. You cannot beat that. So if you've been wanting to get your hands on the Nama J2, the infamous Nama J2, my tried and true bestie, as I always say, now is the time. Make sure that you use my code Darian20. I'll link it in the description as well as in the comments for you guys. And I just want to wish you guys a happy holiday season, and I hope that you enjoy all of the festivities with your loved ones. That's it for today's video. I hope this recipe was easy for you guys to follow along with. If you've tried it, definitely let me know in the comments. If you haven't, give it a try. I promise you'll like it. I wouldn't steer you wrong. But as always, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on socials, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy holidays and happy juicing.